European trade companies. With the success of Portuguese, many Dutch, French, and English arrived in India for trade. The developments not only changed the history of India but also changed the history of European countries. Portuguese. Portuguese were the first to arrive India for trade. We already know Vasco da Gama arrived India and last to leave India on sea route. After Vasco da Gama, who came? Francisco Almeida. Francisco Almeida arrived in India as the Viceroy of Portuguese. He implemented blue water policy in order to establish supremacy over sea instead of supremacy over land. See the picture of Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama. He is Francisco de Almeida. You have to note the spelling. He introduced blue water policy. After Francisco Almeida, Alfonso de Albuquerque who came after Almeida, considered as the real founder of Portuguese empire in India. He waged a battle against Sultan of Bijapur in 1510 and won Goa. Goa became the administrative center of Portuguese. This person is Alfonso de Albuquerque, who waged a war against Sultan of Bijapur and won Goa. He was the real founder of Portuguese empire in India. Once again, let us have a summary about Portuguese in India. Vasco da Gama reached Calicut, Kappadu near Calicut in Kerala on the west coast of India in 1498. Francisco de Almeida wanted to make the Portuguese as the masters of Indian Ocean. This policy is known as blue water policy. He wanted to establish monopoly over sea instead of building fort, etc. Alfonso de Albuquerque, he captured Goa in 1510 and Goa became the headquarters of Portuguese in India. Portuguese had absolute monopoly over trade with India for almost a century, and their power declined with the arrival of English and French in India. Now we shall have a look at Portuguese settlements in India. Daman. This is Daman. Look at this thing. This is Daman. Du. Then Goa, which is the first Goa actually, which is the headquarters of Portuguese settlements in India. Here you can see Goa clearly, isn't it? Goa is here, which was the headquarters of Portuguese settlement in India. They have given one more thing, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Daman, not Daran, Daman, Du. These are the places of Portuguese interest.